In a world built for adventure, the right action camera can capture every heartbeat, every jump, and every thrill in stunning detail. Whether you're biking down mountain trails, surfing massive waves, or vlogging your travels, today's action cameras deliver cinematic quality in the palm of your hand. With cutting-edge stabilization, crisp 4K, and even 8K recording and waterproof designs, these compact powerhouses are made to go anywhere you dare. In this guide, we'll explore the best action cameras of 2026, built to turn every moment into a masterpiece. So in this video, we have compiled a list and reviewed the top 6 best action cameras you can buy in 2026. For more information on the products, we have included links in the description box below. Let's get started. Akaso Brave 8 Lite. The Akaso Brave 8 Lite is a budget-friendly alternative to the original Brave 8, offering a more affordable way to capture your adventures without spending big. Despite its lower price, it retains much of the sleek, modern styling of its sibling, with a compact, lightweight design that makes it easy to carry and mount in almost any scenario. During our testing, we found its smartphone app impressively intuitive, much more so than the camera's own interface, making it simple to tweak settings or review footage on the go. In bright, well-lit conditions, the Brave 8 Lite performs admirably, delivering crisp and colorful 4K footage at up to 60 frames per second, along with decent 20MP stills. However, the compromises are clear once the lighting dims. Low light performance is hindered by heavy image noise and loss of detail, while the image stabilization system struggles to keep footage smooth, especially when walking or cycling. The camera's lightweight plastic build also feels somewhat fragile, lacking the robust durability of higher-end models. Battery life, rated at around 150 minutes when shooting 1080p video, is acceptable for casual use but falls short for extended recording sessions. Still, for its price point, the Brave 8 Lite delivers more than expected, offering versatile resolutions, up to 2.7K at 120 frames per second and 1080p at 120 frames per second, and waterproofing down to 10 meters without a case. It's not a replacement for premium action cameras, but rather an excellent entry-level choice for beginners, travelers, or anyone seeking a lightweight, capable camera on a tight budget. If you can accept its limitations in stabilization and low-light performance, the Brave 8 Lite stands out as one of the best value budget action cameras currently available. Insta360 Go 3S. We praise the Insta360 Go 3 for its miniature design, foolproof interface, and clever magnetic mounting system, and its successor, the Insta360 Go 3S, pushes that winning formula even further. Now upgraded with sharper 4K resolution, it unlocks far greater flexibility through the free frame mode, allowing you to shoot once and decide your orientation later. Perfect for creating social-ready vertical clips or cinematic widescreen videos from the same footage. Based on our hands-on review, the Go 3S can be placed in tight, creative spots where traditional cameras simply can't fit, capturing unique angles and immersive POV shots that make every moment feel dynamic and spontaneous. Its tiny 39.1G body and lightweight action pod attachment, 96.3G, make it ideal for travelers, vloggers, and content creators on the move. While the camera's 12MP stills and compact 310 mAh battery are modest, the Action Pod adds a 1270 mAh reserve and a flip-up touchscreen for a far better shooting experience. However, it's worth noting that the pod isn't fully waterproof, limiting its use in extreme environments. Image quality is solid for the size, though it can struggle in low-light conditions, and stabilization is impressive for such a tiny system. Ultimately, the Insta360 Go 3S prioritizes versatility and creativity over brute power, giving you the freedom to shoot from nearly any angle imaginable. If your goal is to capture moments effortlessly and experiment with fresh, unconventional perspectives, this tiny powerhouse delivers a level of convenience and innovation that few action cameras can match, making it one of the most enjoyable compact 4K cameras to use in 2025. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Breathing down the neck of GoPro's Hero 13 Black, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a powerhouse of an action camera that delivers premium performance in a compact, rugged body. Built for adventure, it's waterproof to an impressive 20 meters without any external housing, twice as deep as GoPro's flagship, making it a top pick for divers, surfers, and explorers who need reliability in extreme environments. DJI has also refined its usability. The dual touchscreens on the front and back are bright, sharp, and incredibly responsive, giving creators a seamless interface that feels fluid in both handheld and mounted shooting. At just 146G, it's lightweight yet durable, designed to withstand heat, cold, and rough handling far better than most rivals. The Action 5 Pro records crisp, stabilized 4K footage up to 120 frames per second, 2.7K at 120 frames per second, and smooth 1080p slow motion at 240 frames per second, backed by DJI's latest stabilization system that keeps footage buttery smooth even during intense movement. While its 10MP stills resolution and 4K video cap can't match higher-end 5K or 6K options, its footage impresses with rich dynamic range, natural colors, and detailed textures that hold up well across scenes. The 1770 mAh battery provides long-lasting endurance, allowing extended shoots without frequent recharging, a major advantage for travelers. We also found its integration with the DJI Mic 2 excellent for clear, wireless audio capture on the go. Low light quality remains a challenge, with some visible grain even in super night mode, but performance is still stronger than most action cameras in its class. For those who want a reliable, versatile, and more affordable alternative to the GoPro Hero 13 Black, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro strikes a near-perfect balance of features, endurance, and value. GoPro Hero 13 Black. Like most recent GoPro flagships, the Hero 13 Black isn't a dramatic overhaul, but rather a refinement of everything that already made the Hero 12 and Hero 11 Black great. It retains the same 1/1.9-inch sensor, 5.3K video resolution at up to 60 frames per second, and the versatile 8:7 aspect ratio, making it a familiar companion for existing GoPro users. You still get the class-leading hyper-smooth stabilization, 10-meter waterproofing, and robust build quality that's proven across generations. However, GoPro has introduced some meaningful upgrades that make the Hero 13 Black the most complete version yet. The standout improvement is the new range of auto-detected lens mods and ND filters, which connect to a redesigned mount that automatically recognizes the accessory and optimizes the camera's settings in real time. This intelligent adaptability opens up fresh creative shooting options without tedious menu adjustments. The introduction of magnetic mounting also adds convenience and speed when swapping between setups, a small but impactful quality-of-life upgrade. Performance-wise, GoPro has refined battery management with a larger 1900 mAh cell, delivering noticeably improved endurance and better heat dissipation during long 5.3K recordings. There's also the new Burst Slow MO mode, capable of shooting at an impressive 400 frames per second in 720p for dramatic slow-motion moments, though clip processing remains a bit slow. Image quality remains superb in daylight, with crisp detail and vibrant colors, but low-light performance still lags behind premium rivals. In short, while the Hero 13 Black doesn't reinvent the action camera, its combination of smarter accessory integration, better thermal control, enhanced battery life, and convenient mounting refinements make it GoPro's most polished and versatile flagship yet. A perfect choice for both seasoned adventurers and creators who demand reliability and creative flexibility. Insta360 X4. If you want to capture every angle of the action in stunning clarity, the Insta360 X4 stands out as the best 360-degree camera you can buy right now. It pushes the boundaries of immersive recording with a massive leap to 8K resolution at 30 frames per second, making it the sharpest and most detailed 360 camera currently available. Compared to the already impressive X3, the jump from 5.7K to 8K delivers noticeably crisper textures and finer details, particularly when reframing footage. In our testing, the X4 impressed with its dynamic range and stabilization. The 360 degrees horizon lock and flow state stabilization combine to deliver exceptionally smooth, gimbal-like footage, even in fast-paced, high-motion scenes. Despite these advances, a few limitations remain inherent to the 360 format. Stitch lines can still be visible in certain scenarios, and low-light performance is only average, leading to minor noise and reduced sharpness in darker environments. The larger 8K files also demand powerful editing hardware and plenty of storage space. However, for those serious about creative flexibility, the X4's versatility is unmatched. It offers a single-lens 4K mode for traditional shooting, 100 frames per second slow motion, and a suite of fun creative tools like Time Shift, Bullet Time, and Deep Track 3.0. Add in a robust 2290 mAh battery, 10mm waterproofing, and a thoughtfully refined design, and you get a camera that performs brilliantly whether you're mountain biking, skiing, or vlogging. At 203G, it's portable yet powerful, and while it may be overkill for casual users, for creators who want cutting-edge performance and all-angle coverage, the Insta360 X4 is an action-ready powerhouse that redefines what a 360 camera can do. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.